Yes, awesome. Fresh from TLTV. Yes. RBCC, Diego, maraming salamat. Since year 1, kasama na tayo sa TLTV. We know dapat naman na kami naman dahil so thank you very much for partnering again. Still partnering with us. Salamat again. Again, we have tethered balloons and later po we have monsters. Artist natin ulit mamaya kami para may excited na makakalala doon sa ating mga kasama rito ngayon na bumalik po kayo punta sa Pradera Island. Tapos mamaya bumalik dito mamaya hapon. We're not expecting na medyo mainit.
Yes. Of course, nakaabangan natin mamaya, no? Si Gina Marie.
We have Eles Morena.
We have Hep Abby.
Yes, we have Flo G.
Siyempre,